Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And we're going to get started on the top 6 modifications on my 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma. Mine is the TRD off-road version. Alright, so first and foremost what I did is the chrome delete. So I deleted everything that was chrome on it to black. So did this logo right here. If you open it up, I did all of the door sills. All 4 around. The steering wheel, this emblem right here, this it comes chrome, but this has been blacked out as well. Let me go over to the back. Then of course you have your Tacoma right here, emblems, and of course these end caps. So these end caps were chrome. I went ahead and blacked it out. That's my first mod. Alright, now for my second modification, I did the TRD Grill. It is a common upgrade, but I think it looks phenomenal. It's one of my favorite upgrades. I chose to go with the OEM version. It's about $500-ish. You can actually get aftermarket ones for a little bit cheaper. If I can do it again, I probably would have gone aftermarket, but oh well, I already did it. I think it looks great. My third modification is going to be the bed cover. This is the brand I went with right here. I found it on eBay. It's actually pretty cheap. Let me zoom out real quick. Show you how it works. You pull this right here, and it just literally rolls up. And then when you roll all the way up, you can secure it with these straps. Alright, so my fourth modification is going to be these running boards. So these are actually called Iron Bison. I got them off of Amazon. It's about $300. They're pretty cheap. They look like rock sliders, but they're obviously just running boards because it doesn't secure to the frame or anything like that. And I think it adds a nice touch because if you look at it, it is actually textured. So it's like a black textured type material. It feels super rugged. My OEM ones were starting to fade, so that's why I decided to upgrade it to this. Alright, so my fifth upgrade is going to be these all-terrain tires right here. These are actually 32.5, so they're almost 33 inches, not quite though. These are going to be the Falcon Rubitrex tires. They are the all-terrain version. I love the thread pattern on it. It looks super aggressive, and I believe this should be the biggest you can go without having to do any type of modifications to the body of your car. But again, they're almost 33 inches. It's about 32.5. See if I can zoom in. Right there. Alright, so last but not least for my top 6 modifications is going to be Apple CarPlay. So I purchased a decoder, and what it does is it allows you to play CarPlay, Android Auto, all that fun stuff. And you can keep the OEM look of your head unit, so you don't have to do a rip and replace. This is my stock head unit. Let me show you my backup camera. Everything works as it should. Alright, so that is pretty much my list of my top 6 upgrades on my 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma. Again, mine's going to be the TRD 4x4 Off-Road Edition. Let me know what you think. If you have any additional ideas, but I didn't want to spend too much. I think I got everything here, probably under $2,000-ish or so, the tires being the most expensive. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments below.